positive and negative at once. It could be a brand new day or the same old one. So I wait just to see exactly what kind of day it's gonna be. Picking my head straight up, life is what I need. And I could be gold today, tomorrow could be close or it could be so far away. And well, I guess what I'm trying to say, if you can hear me now, just know I'm so happy. When I look to see the moon, I can see those before me who've all done it too. I can see through all my troubles, and somehow they got through. 'Cause we're all family, even if we don't act like it or we just don't see. I guess I'm thankful